everybody, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our new home here in Las Vegas. I am super excited to be filming for you guys in our new home and excited to share with you guys a little bedroom tour slash plant tour bedroom edition. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I am styling my new plant babies, which have been featured in a recent Planting with Jewelyn episode, then keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and try to capture this bedroom. Well, the lighting is somewhat good. It is almost 1 p.m. and as you can see, it's on the dark side. I'm filming next to a window here and you will see how everything looks styled in my new room. Super excited. It was my second night last night sleeping in this room, so excited to come back in the next 3 weeks, see how my new plant babies are, and I will go ahead and keep you guys updated. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more plant related videos here in Las Vegas.
Alright guys, let's do a quick bedroom tour, plant tour bedroom edition for my new room in our Las Vegas home. So this is a quick glimpse of what it looks like. Now remember, this was the first weekend I spent in our new home. Who knows what the room is gonna look like over the next few weekends in the upcoming months when I go out there for work. I have a bunch of plants and I can't wait to add more plants as time goes by. But these are the ones that I currently have in my room. Remember, I'm only there 2 weekends a month, so I wanted low maintenance plants because I am not there every day to tend to plants that need more watering. So I will definitely be doing an updated plant tour over the next few months as I'm out there more often for work and adding, of course, probably new babies in the future. But I want to give a big shout out to my mom for styling this room for me. She did amazing and it actually left me in tears when I drove away with Ebby. Can't wait to go back there next weekend. And also a big shout out to my grandma for caring for all of my plants and moving my things into the new room while I'm here in Santa Monica. I'm in love with my Las Vegas room.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed this little plant tour, bedroom tour here at our new home in Las Vegas. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about the plants that I decided to put in this room as I'm only here twice a month, and also how do you like the room styled? My mom did an awesome job styling this room in a pink and gray aesthetic and I think it's adorable. And I'm gonna be enjoying myself here every time I come to Las Vegas, being surrounded by cute plants and a beautiful room. I'm so excited to be here at our new home and filming new content here for you guys. I'll see you guys back in Santa Monica because we are heading back there tomorrow. Until next time, you can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Aloha from the 9th Island and my new room. Bye guys!